Hello students, today we are here to discuss the basics of linear equation in two variable, but before we start today's lecture, let me introduce myself and my institute before you. EduNotech Private Limited is an institute which works towards betterment of students' academic career. We do not behave like a typical coaching institute but try to act as a guiding force. We also hold various level scholarship examinations so as to make sure that quality education is accessible even in the remotest area of our country. I am Shubha Patel and I have done my schooling from Delhi Public School Prayagraj, and I am currently in BTech third year from JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida, and I am currently pursuing my BTech in Mechanical Engineering. Let us start today's lecture. So in the earlier videos we have already completed substitution method and graphical method. Now we are going towards elimination method, which is the most important method because this method is what used in solving all the questions. So what is elimination method? So actually the word elimination means to replace or to remove. Elimination means to remove, so that two variables are there. If we are able to remove one variable, then we can easily solve it as a linear equation in one variable and get the value. Now, for example, if we have some equation x plus y is equals to 3 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Now, somehow if we are able to remove x, then these equations will become linear equation in one variable and then we can solve. How to remove? We can remove x or y, whatever we want we can remove. So when we are removing this, there is a certain mathematical process. Let us go through that. Now, I want x to be removed from here. The only way x can be removed from here is when we multiply this whole equation by 2 and then subtract these two. What I am trying to say, this entire equation is x plus y is equals to 3. So now multiply it with 2x plus 2y is equals to 6. I am multiplying the whole equation with 2, and this is already 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Now, if we have to subtract equation 2 from 1, then what will we get? Minus sign will come here, and this minus sign will change the sign of this expression. So this will become minus, minus and minus. This will become cancelled. Now, 2y minus 3y is minus y and it is 2. So y is equals to minus 2. Now put y in any of these two equations and get the value of x. I will put in this equation. So 2x plus 3 into minus 2, because y appeared to be minus 2. So 2x minus 6 is equals to 4 and 2x is equals to 10, x is equals to 5. This is how we use elimination method. We will also take few more examples so as to have a clear understanding of this subject. Elimination method is very important because it is not at all time wasting, and there is a fixed procedure to solve these kind of questions, and we can easily get questions. So now, for example, if we have some questions like if there is this question in front of us, 2x plus 3y is equals to 0, and another equation is given to us as 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. Now, how to solve this question? We need to remove any of the one variable. There are two variables, x and y. X and y are the two variables. Let us now in this question remove y. We can remove x, but now we want to remove y, we can remove it. So now coefficient of y here is 3 and here is 4. If we are able to make their coefficients same, then by subtracting it, we can remove y from both the equations. So now how can we make the coefficients same? The coefficients are 3, 4. So what if we take LCM? LCM is 12, and if we are able to bring 12 here and 12 here, then this question can be solved by elimination method. I am multiplying this entire equation by 4 and this entire equation by 3. This equation becomes 8x plus 12y is equals to 0. This equation becomes 9x plus 12y is equals to 15. Now subtract these two equations. 8x plus 12y minus 9x minus 12y is equals to 0 minus 15. 12y cancelled, 8x minus 9x minus x, 0 minus 15 and x appeared to be 15. Now put x is equals to 15 in an equation. I want to put it in this equation. So this will become x 3 into 15 plus 4y is equals to 5. 45 plus 4y is equals to 5. 4y is equals to 40 minus 40. Y is minus 10. So this is how we use elimination method. Now, why is elimination method very important? Because in examination, this is the fastest method by which we can solve linear equations. We don't have enough time to make graph and then solve, or first substitute and then solve. Here we can easily get the answer. So now let us take few more problems so as to see how this process helps in examination. Now here we have a question. The question says 8 chairs and 5 tables for a classroom cost rupees 10,500. 8 chairs plus 5 tables has cost 10,500. And then there is another information given to us. 3 tables and 5 chairs cost 6,450. So they are asking what is the cost of 1 chair and 1 table. This is the question they are asking. Now we have to assume some value of cost of chairs and table and then make linear equations to solve this question. There are 8 chairs. Let us assume that these chairs, 1 chair has value of x. Cost of 1 chair is x and cost of 1 table be y. So this equation becomes 8x plus 5y is equals to 10,500, and this equation becomes 3y, table is y na, so 3y plus 5x is equals to 6450. Now we have 2 linear equations and 2 unknown variables x and y. Now we can simply solve it using elimination method or substitution method or graphical method. But why we will not use graphical method or substitution method? Because they are time consuming and for competitive exams we do not have enough time. So we will use elimination method to solve the question. Now which variable do you want to remove? Which one is easier to remove? Let's remove 3y. So we have to remove 3y from y from both the equations. So I will multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 5. So this will become 15y and here it will become 15y, and we will subtract both the equations. So let's do this. The equation becomes 24x plus 15y is equals to 0, 0, 15 and 3. Now 3y into 5 is 15y plus 5 into 5, 25x is equals to 6,450 into 5, 0, 25, 5 4 is 42 and then 5 6 is 34. So this is 34250. Okay, we have to subtract this. So just simply change sign of any one of the equations. Now this 15y and here 15y has been cancelled. 24y minus 25x gives minus x, and then 3000 we have to subtract this from this, so here it will become 0, 5, 7 and 2. So x becomes minus 2750. So cost of 1 chair is